أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له.
85 new converts from around the UK attended a meeting with Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmed, Khalifatul Masih V, at the Mahmud Hall in Fazl Mosque, London on Sunday. Over the course of almost an hour, attendees were able to introduce themselves to His Holiness, relate their experiences, and to request prayers. Many explained how they had been guided to the truth of Ahmadiyyat through prayers, dreams, literature, the logic underpinning Ahmadiyya beliefs, and one person stated he had converted from the Shia sect after learning of the Ahmadiyya teachings on jihad.
Muslims never raise sword against anybody without the opponents attack on Muslims. See, the attacks are always initiated by non-Muslims on Muslims. Yes. Then they raise sword. Otherwise, it is categorically mentioned in the Quran and in the tradition of the Holy Prophet ﷺ that you should not raise sword against anybody.
Converts spanned a range of backgrounds from around the world, including English, Arab, Asian, and African descent, but all were joined in the experience of finding inner peace through Ahmadiyyat, with many highlighting how the new beliefs had changed their lives. Some explained how they were able to remain steadfast despite opposition from their families, and others shed light on how they had begun to preach the message themselves. Caliph Khan, MTA News.